So again, welcome back to a new video, guys. So in this video, we'll be discussing a market review on Euro USD on 27th May 2025. Okay. Uh, what you're looking at is a daily chart. Clearly, till here we were bullish. Given a structure break here, order block. Take out this high, lower low. This is an order block. This is also another order block. We have the buy side here. Major buy side here. Okay. So yesterday, what happened is you see this order block trading in that range. Okay, when going to a 4 hour chart, you will see structure shift downside with a 4 hour fair value gap here. Okay, structure shift here, the 4 hour fair value gap, and you can see this is a daily fair value gap. Okay, yesterday it isn't even respected it, so it becomes an IFVG now. Again back to 4 hour. I'm sorry, I'm having a fever, something like that. Okay, so please cooperate. And on New York opens here. We'll go to a lower time frame. Okay. But I will show you in MT4. Okay, that could be fine. We have the 4 hour fair value gap here. 4 hour fair value gap here. Going to 15-minute chart. There is your short time high. There is that 4 hour fair value gap. Went to that fair value gap. Here is the 830. Above 830. 4 hour. Going to a 5 minute or 1 minute chart. Going to a 5 minute chart. Respected this fair value gap. Got around middle midpoint of that 4 hour fair value gap. Given a structure shift. Structure shift. Gone below. Here is your first entry. Stop loss here. Before that's not gonna work, okay? That's not how you should take then. Going to GBP USD. I want you to focus on here, okay? This is the area, okay? 830. Euro USD 830 is here, okay? These two highs, okay? 910 high, 940 high. 910 high is here, 940 high is here. It, in GBP, it was not able to take out this high, but in Euro, it was able to this 910 high, okay, or 940 time. And GBP created a short time low without taking this 910 high, okay. So it created an SMT, smart money divergence, and it went lower, okay, structure shift. And there also you can see the structure shift, structure shift, structure shift. What you can do is you can either enter in GBP like this, making stop just above it and going for a 2 hour or this low. Okay, that's a good entry, but that's not what I like. Okay, so going to MT4, 4 minute chart. Where was that? Yeah, here it is. You have this low right here. I will just mark. Okay. You have this low right here. Just that. What? Mm, 910 is high. This is the 940 high. Given a structure shift here. So this becomes an order block plus a switch. Okay. You could take an entry from here. Here. Making stops right above here. And take the target here. Or you could go to 15-minute chart. You see this low. This could also be your target. And you can trial your stop after that. I think you could get an hour up to here, reward up to here. But when you put your stop here, it will get triggered here. GU, sorry, EU, same entry pattern. Sorry, you're right. Going to EU, 4 minute. I think this 4 minute is pretty good. Okay, I'm very nowadays comfortable this that 4 minute. 830 high, sorry, 910 high, 940 high, break downwards, and here was that 4 hour fair value gap. Okay. Went down. Actually, I don't find a proper entry in GU. Okay, let's see in 5 minutes. Yeah, you could actually take it from here, but stops around above this fair value gap. And that's also a good entry. Okay, not bad entry. You don't need to go keep your stops here. Okay, just here, here, 2 hour. That could be a fine entry. And that's really nice. Okay, that's a good entries. Okay, now we'll be looking at uh, uh, US 100 or NAS 100. Okay, so basically in daily we are coming from a daily fair value gap plus this volume imbalance. On Friday, sorry, Monday, 26th May, market tapped into this fair value gap, this 1 hour fair value gap, and just reversed on 4 hour. You got a clear structure shift plus a 4 hour fair value gap here. Okay, extra day, that is Tuesday, 27th May 2025. Market came to that fair value gap, respected that fair value gap. Okay, you see here, structure shift, everything is fine. Going to 1 hour chart, you might ask why I didn't pick this one or this fair value gap. There is a reason for it. Okay, just I think in some one of my previous video I have talked about wait talk about the significance level, that is 0.69 to 0.72. Okay, in this significant level, what we have is this 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, plus you can see this order block. It is near to the 75 level of this displacement. Okay, so I choose the reason I choose is that, and the entry comes in 1 minute. Okay, directly going to 1 minute. And before that, I want to show you where our buy side target everything is. Just removing this. You see, this is our buy side target, major buy side. Okay, for extra day, you can just stick it with this high. That is previous test is high or something like that. Okay, so just marking that level. Going to 1 minute. There is your 830 right there. Buy below 830 and sell above 830. That's the rule. Okay. So here what I'm looking at 930 opening bell. Okay, on US market. Okay. So here is your 930. Just find the first fair value presented fair value gap. Okay. So this is the first presented fair value gap. Okay. And the market came to this 1 hour fair value gap. And here is our 1 minute fair value gap. Okay. 1 minute first presented fair value gap. Fine. So nine between 933 and 935. Okay, this is the first presented fair value gap. Just extend it. Uh, Many think that it will just go up there and inverse it, but since our bias is bullish, what we have to do with this 1 minute fair value gap is that we should find an entries for the upside. Okay, so came here displacement to downwards and just went upwards. Okay, after this particular candle close. Okay, I will just mention this particular candle. Okay, after this 1 minute FVG closes. Okay, closes. The next candle, if it comes to this fair value gap, you can take the entry. This is our entry candle. Making stops just below the bodies of here. Okay, so oh, no, that's fine. That is fine. And where is was that? I just marked 1 point, right? Yeah. Oh shit. Down this one. Up to here you can hold. Okay. All these relative equal low highs. Okay. You can hold up to there. Yes, all these relative equal highs are a pool of liquidities. Okay. So that's how you could have taken a trade yesterday. That is 27 May 2025. Okay. So see you in the next video. Bye.